Divorce, yes, that thing. When your spouse or your partner leave the toothpaste cap off, them snore like a freight train, or them dip them finger in the pot, or them do all kind of controllable or uncontrollable things that drive you up the wall. You ever feel like you want to divorce them? Jackie, Max, Lady D and myself are going to talk up the things them this Saturday morning, April 12th at 10 a.m. From pet peeves to deal breakers, we are bringing the vibes and the real talk. Log on early Saturday to Instagram at Lady Denise Gomez, Facebook at Inside the Zone, Facebook as well, Lady D Denise Gomez, or YouTube at Inside the Zone with Lady D. You can't miss this one. It'll go hot like fire. Saturday morning runnings where real life meets real laugh. Come join me, you hear? See you soon.